Benefits of almonds.
Soaking almonds overnight and eating them in the morning to strengthen the brain has been practiced for centuries. Soaking the almonds before eating is very important, as this not only softens the kernel but also peels it off.
Remember that there is a special enzyme in its dry peel, due to which the almond is not digested and its nutrients are not absorbed by the body. Apart from mental health, almonds have many benefits.
Soaked almonds are the best food for pregnant women, as the folic acid present in them gives strength to their body and promotes optimal development of the baby's nervous system and other organs.
Soaked almonds improve digestion and help in protein absorption in the body.
If you want to avoid heart problems, then definitely use almonds, because the antioxidant nut substance found in it controls cholesterol and keeps the heart healthy.
Almonds reduce the amount of unhealthy cholesterol in the body and increase the amount of healthy cholesterol.
Almonds strengthen the stomach, liver, and all the muscles of the body.
Soak a few almonds in half a kilo of water at night before going to bed. In the morning, separate the skin from the nut. Consume up to half a kilo of cow's milk, it will benefit you greatly.
Apart from this, almond is called the king of nuts. Its use makes the body fat and reduces mental weakness. According to medical experts, not only milk for children but also
almonds and other dry fruits are also necessary to strengthen the bones. Apart from calcium, magnesium is also needed for bones.
Therefore, there is a need for food for children that contains these two elements, so that children's bones can become strong,
so that they can spend their lives more agile and energetic.
By massaging the face with almond oil, the face remains fresh and refreshed.
First, apply milk to your face with a cotton ball, then take a few drops of almond oil and then take a few drops of rose water. Now apply it on your face with a light hand. Take it. Don't rub too much.
This will not only clean your face but also gradually remove facial wrinkles. Apart from this, almonds are useful in dizziness, weakness of vision, mental weakness, memory, urinary irritation, bile, insomnia, and constipation, etc. If you like our video, please like and share the video and subscribe to the channel.